Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be looking to move your XDC tokens from your Arculus wallet to Bitmart for trading or storage. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything for security. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First things first, make sure you have the Arculus wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. If you haven't already, download it from the official App Store and set up your account with two-factor authentication for added protection. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet and navigate to the Assets section. Locate your XDC holdings. It's usually listed under your portfolio. Tap on it to select the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, you'll need to have enough XDC to cover any network fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Next, head over to your Bitmart account on a web browser or their mobile app. Go to the Deposit section and select XDC as the cryptocurrency. Bitmart will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Pro tip: always verify that the network is set to XDC network to avoid any errors. Now, back in Arculus wallet, go to the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the Bitmart deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount of XDC you want to send, and double-check the details. Review the transaction summary, including fees, and confirm it with your wallet's security measures, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Bitmart account, depending on network speed. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer for XDC. A few important tips: never share your private keys, use only official apps to prevent scams, and consider the current market conditions before moving funds. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to get comfortable. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XDC from Arculus wallet to Bitmart in 2025. It's a simple process that can save you time and hassle. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.